since we've last uploaded videos. A lot's been happening, but good things, right?
Very good things, yes. One thing being is that, I started going to school.
Yeah, over the summer he started school full time. Obviously, like everything else, it's online and it's full time. So it's been a good thing.
Yeah, I think COVID, freed up a lot of my time so I can actually do this, like everybody else probably watching this, or you've experienced your own COVID in your own way, and it may have freed up a lot of your time, maybe have lost jobs, and you're trying to figure out what to do next, how to navigate this crazy time, like everybody else is. And we do have kids, obviously we have 3 little kids that are a handful. So, during this time, it's been about 6 months, and then, obviously I had the opportunity to go to school. So I took the opportunity, and it's been challenging. It's been great, but a lot of opportunities have came up. So we want to show that to you.
Yeah, so we realized that our last video was when we went hiking at Big Sur, which probably was a couple months ago. And so we do ask that you take a look at this video. We, over the Labor Day weekend, decided to join my sister in going back home. Her home is in Arizona. So we've never been there. She's lived there for maybe 4 years.
Yeah.
And so since Andrew and I fortunately still have jobs, during that time we were able to switch up a couple days and we were able to work remotely. So this video is definitely a video that we wanted to show you guys, that over the Labor Day weekend we were able to at least see Arizona for the first time.
Hello everybody, what's up? I'm in lovely Marina, enjoying this wonderful cloudy overcast weather, but not for long. We will be heading to Arizona pretty soon. I'm just here putting gas. The gas is expensive. I wish I had cash because it says it's $3.09. I'm paying 10 cents more. It's $3.19. But we gotta get on the road. It has been crazy. They lost our rental. We'll leave at 12 o'clock. It's about 4:20 now, so we need to make it to El Paso Robles, California. By 5:30. If we do not make it by 5:30, we will not be able to get our rental, and we will not be able to make our trip. So we need all the prayers and do everything we can muster up right now. So just we need to hurry up. It is go time, everybody. Go time, go time, go time. And this is not working fast enough. So. Stress. It's go time. Come for the ride. So here we go. We are off. We're going to Arizona. We're packed up. We have to make it, like I said, by 5:30. And it is, what time is it?
4:34.
And we have to be there by 5:30. So Paso Robles is supposed to be like an hour and a half to 2 hours away. We'll see what happens.
It took me so long to go. Yeah, stay tuned.
Okay, so we have to interject right here a little bit because we did not know what was going on here. Like, we did not plan this at all. We had no clue to what was going to happen.
Well, when you have a plan and you feel like this is a plan, it's going to come through. I don't know, maybe we were naive. But usually, we try to do things in a manner where we plan them. And let's just say this threw definitely our plan off. And so you're going to see how we were able to still make this plan happen, but at what cost, right?
And, I try to catch everything, but it's really hard for those of you that do this. It's really hard to capture every moment, especially when you're really stressed out. So you're going to see in the beginning how I told you that, we were supposed to have a vehicle, but we lost the reservation. They tried to downsize us, and obviously, like we just said, we have kids, and not only kids, but we have, our sister that was traveling with us, and a whole lot of stuff. So they tried to get us, you know, a big sedan or a mini like SUV, like crossover.
I would say mid-size, but we
Hybrid type, yeah.
reserved a full size, and so Andrew and the car rental person were having a conversation about how the vehicle they were giving us was actually a mid-size. And considering we're going to drive for 12 plus hours, and I say plus because we wanted to do some sightseeing, we wanted to not just go back and forth, meaning from California to Arizona, we wanted a comfortable vehicle. So
we lost the reservation, and we did not know what to do. We had made the reservation like 2 weeks, a week prior to this trip, so we thought we were, you know,
getting a good deal.
Good deal. We thought we're, you know, we're cool. We're sailing, and you know, and we're just gonna have a great trip. That was totally wrong. So we had to find another vehicle. And
it's Labor Day weekend.
Labor Day weekend, which no vehicles are around. So she goes and calls. I mean, from where we live,
I called within a 30-mile radius.
Every single place that we could have, and she ended up finding a vehicle.
That was not a 30-mile radius.
We had to. Now, pause. We had wanted to leave at 12 o'clock. It is now 4 o'clock. She finds a vehicle, and we have to be there before it closes at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
It takes about an hour and a half to get there, but it's 5 o'clock traffic.
And if you are a parent, then you'll understand that sometimes driving isn't just driving. We have requests of, I'm hungry, I have to go to the restroom, my brother, my sister, blah, blah, blah. So doing any type of road trip, if you guys are road trippers out there, you know the struggle it is to try to get these kids. And we've got 3 kids, ages 6, 4, and 1. And it was definitely
crunch time. It was it was stressful. It was, you know, and we had thrown everything into the car, and we're hoping that we can get a vehicle that was big enough to fit all the stuff we had in the car, because we have, you know, a full-size SUV, and we're just hoping that, you know, but we're going to take anything we can, because at this point either we take it or we just stay. And we had plans, and we had reservations where we were going, and you know, it was crazy.
And we didn't want to take our own vehicle. We didn't want to take our own vehicle because we knew the mileage, and we just didn't want it. So we were willing to make that financial decision to go ahead and rent this, you know, rent a car for the sake of this trip, and so that everybody could feel comfortable. So and we don't have a minivan in general, so that wouldn't have been. We have a full size SUV.
Yeah. So we're gonna pop back in the video right now and see what vehicle we got.